Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add bots on your Discord server. To start, open your internet browser and then search for top.gg. And then in here, click on the link that says top.gg Discord bots. And then in here, use the search bar and then search for bots that you have or you want to add over at your Discord server. There are a lot of options here, so choose one of your preference. Once you scroll down, you will see a lot of bots. All you have to do this time is to click on the invite button. Once you click on invite and then after a short reload, you will now be redirected to the Discord website. And then in here, the bot will then ask permission to join. Then in here, select a server wherein you want to add the Discord bot. Then click on continue. In here, click on authorize. Now verify that you are a human. Once it says authorized, the Discord bot should now be in your server. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.